Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete highlights on Instagram. So to start, open Instagram app, go to your profile picture at the bottom. Now, once you click that, scroll down a bit. And in here, once you see the plus icon, so beside that, that's where you can see your highlights. So tap on the highlight that you want to delete. For example, this one. The name is March. So I just click that and I want to delete this one. What you want to do is to tap on the three dots at the top right. And from here, you have three options. You have edit highlight, archive highlight, or remove from highlight. So let's click remove from highlight and confirm the action. And as you can see, the highlight has been deleted. So again, you just need to click your profile, scroll down a bit, and click on your highlight. For example, this one. Click on the three dots at the top right, then just click on remove from highlight and confirm the action. And that's basically it. That's how you can remove highlight on Instagram. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.